The metal processing industry faces limitations due to high manual work in material removal operations. It's an unpleasant, dangerous job that negatively affects the people doing it and the overall business performance. This increases the production costs linked to labor and injuries due to scrapping and abrasive material consumption. For your critical metal part, sooner brings end effectors, abrasive material, process know-how, and accessories. Easy to implement and easy to adapt, thanks to the perfect interaction between them. We promote the usage of robots for productions with high part variabilities, thanks to cost-effective solutions and a quick setup time. What are you waiting for? Take control and let the robots grind.